Hello everyone. You all are very disturbed. Your home, your work is also very disturbed, and everything is frustrated. Why is it? It is only because of the pandemic caused by the coronavirus. So it is very important to know about that. So today the video is all about that what is this coronavirus. I am Ujwala and welcome to our channel UM Science. The coronavirus somewhat look like this only. Here there are coronaviruses are a type of virus, and there are many different kinds and some causes diseases. Too many viruses are there under the class of corona, but everyone cannot cause the disease. But here today we are going to talk about the coronavirus who can cause the disease and who disturb us all. The coronaviruses are named for their appearance. Why? Under the microscope, the viruses look like they are covered with pointed structures that surrounded them like a corona or a crown. So because of this crown structure, it is called or get the name that is corona. The coronaviruses are large enough and envelop RNA viruses of both medical and veterinary importance. So under the whole structure of envelope, they consist RNA as a genetic material. A newly identified coronavirus, that is SARS-CoV-2, that is a severe acute respiratory syndrome. It has caused a worldwide pandemic of respiratory illness called COVID-19 that we all are aware about. But the question is, from where it arises? Majorly, many of the people knows that COVID-19 is the disease caused by a new coronavirus that emerged in China in December 2019. Now about its incubation time period. So what is the incubation period of COVID-19? Actually, because of the laboratory testing, it appears that symptoms are showing up in people within 14 days of exposure to the viruses. Now about what type of symptom it causes. So COVID-19 symptoms include cough, fever or chills, shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing, muscle or body aches, sore throat. Not only that, but new loss of taste or smell, diarrhea, headache, new fatigue, as well as nausea or vomiting, and congestion or runny nose. These are the general symptoms that we all observe after the exposure to the COVID-19 viruses. Your COVID-19 can be severe and some cases may have caused death, and that is not without our focus. The new coronavirus can be spread from person to person. So it is very infectious. It is diagnosed with a laboratory test that we need to be safe by keeping the distances. Now, about how does the new coronavirus spread? Here, as of now, researchers know that the new coronavirus is spread through the droplets released into the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes out. So through our mouth and nose, it will be spread in the environment. A droplets generally do not travel more than a few feet, and they fall to the ground or onto the surfaces nearby in a few seconds. So, one person, if he is infected, can speak or sneeze in front of a people. The droplets will be fall down within 3 to 4 feet distance, and it may not be able to touch the person standing in front of him. That is why it is very advisable to keep distance, and this is why practice or physical distancing is effective in preventing the spread. There is no coronavirus vaccine yet. There are many rumors and too many talks are there about the virus vaccines, but till now there is no proper answer. So we need to be ready for the upcoming days without the vaccine. The prevention involves frequent hand washes, so if there is a single virus cell on our hand, it will be washed off. Another is coughing into the band of your elbow. This will prevent the virus from spreading from one place to another place. Another thing is staying home when you are sick, because if you keep yourself inside the home in one room, it will be limited in the area and other people will be prevented. Wearing a cloth face covering if you can't practice physical distancing. So this is the best way so that the main area, that is the nose and mouth, can be protected properly from others also, and others are also safe from us if we are having infection. That is why the main point to keep distance is the only main remedy to prevent the virus. This will also help you to stay away from the person who is infectious. So keep distance and keep the social distancing, not the emotional distancing. And because of this, we all will be ready for the brighter future. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you very much.